Good afternoon, everybody. It's Alex with Master Odor Removal. We're here in beautiful Adventura, not quite to the beach, just on the other side, and a luxury high-rise, obviously. We're servicing this unit, which has been thoroughly cleaned. Mildew and cooking odors. It smells, to be honest with you guys, very fishy in here. They've tried everything and they couldn't get rid of it, so they called us. So what we're going to do, we already started opening up some things, looking for signs of water leaks and whatnot. But you can see the amount of mildew that's growing in the shower. That's actually one source. But here's the bathroom. There I am there. Hi, everyone. And master closet. I'm not sure all the lights are yet. There we go. Just a nice unit here in Adventura, 2-bedroom. Here's the living room area. Here's the kitchen. We've already started to, because the owner was here, to see if it was a lot of the cooking odors. And you can see our molecular first step chemical is actually pulling the cooking oils out of the paint, the drywall. We'll treat these cabinets as well, obviously. You can see it here too. All right. Right there, hopefully that's in focus. So that's what it does for tobacco as well. Here's the other bedroom, laundry room. Oh, 2 bathrooms, okay. And I'm not sure where the lights went. Here we go. So we'll treat the bathroom, all the drains, the floors, the ceiling, the shower stall, and here's the other smaller bedroom. All right, that's really basically it. And then we're gonna go ahead and treat the AC unit to make sure, I just don't want to get locked out. The AC unit here to make sure it smells fresh and clean. We've already taken the filter out right here. So we'll service these coils and the client will be thrilled. So that's really basically it. We are luxury high-rise odor removal specialists all over South Florida and the country, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks everybody for viewing our video. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day.